Hari Om children, welcome to the chemistry class. Today our topic is water, a universal solvent. Children, in lower classes almost you have learned about solute, solvent and solution. So now let's recall all of those. First of all we will know about the solute. What is a solute? A substance that gets dissolved in a liquid is called as a solute. For example, salt, sugar, all these, as it can easily dissolve in a liquid like water. Next we have to read about the solvent. The liquid that dissolves a solute is known as the solvent. For example, water. Other liquids are also there, kerosene, petrol, diesel, oil, so many other liquids are also present. Now let's know about the solution. A uniform or the homogeneous mixture of the solute and the solvent is known as the solution. Here I want to give you one example. Let's take sugar or salt and try to mix it with try to dissolve it in the water. After some time we will get the solution, and this solution is the homogeneous or the uniform mixture of the solute, that is salt, and the solvent water, and it is known as the solution. Now children, let's know about the water, a universal solvent. As water can dissolve so many solute in it, okay, so it is known as the universal solvent. Now let's know about the soluble substance and insoluble substance. The substances those are readily dissolved in water are known as the soluble substances or soluble in water. For example, salt and sugar. Whereas the substances those do not dissolve in water are known as insoluble substances or insoluble in water. For example, sand and wood. Now let's know about the conditions on which formation of a solute depends. There are three conditions are present. First one is the stirring, second one is the size of the particles which is present in the solute, and the third one is temperature. First come to know about the stirring. By stirring, the solubility of the solute increases in the solution. You might have observed sometime whenever your mummies are making the cold drinks, all these things they are stirring so that the solute or the you can say the salt or sugar, it will dissolve very quickly. Second one is particle size of the solute. Formation of the solution takes less time if the particle size of a solute is small, but if the particle size is large, then it takes time for the formation of a solution. Here we can compare the powdered sugar and the normal sugar crystals. So the powdered sugar, it can easily soluble or it will take less time to dissolve in the water, whereas the sugar crystals, it will take time to soluble in water. The third one is the temperature. Solubility of solids and the liquids in water increases with increase in temperature, but solubility of gases in water decreases with the increase in temperature. So these are the 3 points or 3 conditions on which formation of the solution depends. Children, there are 3 types of solution on the basis of the ability of solution to dissolve more solute, such as point 1 is saturated solution, point 2 unsaturated solution, and the point 3 is supersaturated solution. Now let me explain you all these one by one. First come to know about saturated solution. The solution which cannot dissolve any more of the solute at a particular temperature, it is known as the saturated solution. Whereas the solution which can dissolve more of the solute at a particular temperature, it is known as the unsaturated solution. And the solution which contains more solute than can be dissolved in the solvent under normal conditions, it is known as the supersaturated solution. This is all about 3 types of the solution. Children, the formation of a solution is a physical change, not a chemical change. That's why what will happen? The solute and the solvent, it will remain same in the solution. So if we want to get back it, we can get back very easily in its original form, but by applying different process, like by distillation process we can get back the solvent, whereas by the process of evaporation we can get back the solute from a solution. Children, this is all about for today's class. You go through this video and also PDF and try to understand your chapter. And also you try to complete the home assignment in your chemistry copy. Thank you, children.